Hello, welcome to Ball 360 TV. In this channel, we upload videos about NBA. In this video, we will discuss the current team standings, November 15, 2024, and the games to be played tomorrow, November 16, 2024. If you're new to this channel, please consider to subscribe and press the like button to help our channel grow. Only one game was played today in the NBA. Utah Jazz beat the Dallas Mavericks 115-113. Utah scored baskets on six straight possessions in the third quarter to take the lead 81-73. John Collins has 28 points, 9 rebounds, and 3 assists. And Colin Sexton has 16 points, 5 rebounds, and 3 assists. For the Dallas Mavericks, Luka Doncic has 37 points, 7 rebounds, and 9 assists. And Marshall has 19 points, 4 assists, and 3 steals. The Jazz had 20 fast break points, and they out-rebounded Dallas by 10. And now, let's proceed to the team standings in the Eastern Conference. Nothing has changed in the standing in the Eastern Conference. Number 1 team is the Cleveland Cavaliers with 13-0 record. Number 2 is the Boston Celtics with 10-3 record. Number 4 is the Orlando Magic with 7-6 record and on their 4-game winning streak. Fourth, New York Knicks with 5-6 record. Fifth, Indiana Pacers with 5-6 record. Sixth is the Chicago Bulls with 5-7 record. Number 7 is the Atlanta Hawks with 5-7 record. Number 8 is the Brooklyn Nets with 5-7 record. Number 9 is the Miami Heat with 4-6 record. And number 10 is the Detroit Pistons with 5-7 record. The number 11 team is the Charlotte Hornets with 4-7 record and on their 2-game losing streak. Number 12 is the Milwaukee Bucks with 4-8 record and on their 2-game winning streak. 13 is the Washington Wizards with 2-8 record and on their 6-game losing streak. 14 is the 76ers with 2-9 record and on their 2-game losing streak. And the number 15 team in the East is the Toronto Raptors with 2-10 record and on their 5-game losing streak. And now here's the team standings for the West. Number 1, Oklahoma City Thunder 10-2 record, win 2. Number 2, Golden State Warriors 9-2 record, win 2. Number 3, Phoenix Suns 9-3 record. Number 4, Denver Nuggets 7-3 record, 5-game winning streak. Number 5, Houston Rockets 8-4 record, 3-game winning streak. Number 6 is the Los Angeles Lakers 7-4 record, 3-game winning streak. 7th, Memphis Grizzlies 7-5 record. 8th, Sacramento Kings 7-5 record. 9th, Los Angeles Clippers 6-6 record, 2-game losing streak. And number 10, San Antonio Spurs 6-6 record, 2-game winning streak. 11, Minnesota Timberwolves 6-6 record, 3-game losing streak. Number 12, Dallas Mavericks 5-7 record, 4-game losing streak. 13 is the Portland Trail Blazers 5-8 record, 2-game winning streak. 14th, Utah Jazz 3-8 record. And number 15 is New Orleans Pelicans 3-9 record and 6-game losing streak. And here are the games tomorrow, November 16, 2024. Who will get back to the win column as Tyler Hero in the Miami Heat visit Pascal Siakam and the Pacers in Gainbridge Fieldhouse at 8 a.m. Paul George in the 76ers will try to end their 2-game losing streak as they visit Franz Wagner and the Orlando Magic in Kia Center at 8 a.m. RJ Barrett and the Toronto Raptors will try to end their 5-game losing streak against the visiting Detroit Pistons, led by Cade Cunningham in Scotiabank Arena at 8 a.m. Jordan Poole and the Washington Wizards will try to score a win against Troy Young and the Hawks to end their six-game losing streak in State Farm Arena at 8:30 a.m. Chicago Bulls, led by Nikola Vucevic, will try to end Donovan Mitchell and the Cleveland Cavaliers' historic 13-0 NBA record in Rocket Mortgage Fieldhouse at 8 a.m. The number 8 Nets, led by Dennis Schroeder, will play Karl Anthony Towns and the Knicks in Madison Square Garden at 8:30 a.m. Los Angeles Lakers, led by Anthony Davis, will try to extend their winning streak against Victor Wembanyama in the Spurs in Bank Center at 8:30 a.m. Whose streak will end when Harden-led Clippers play against Alperen Sengun-led Rockets in Toyota Center at 9 a.m. Nikola Jokic and the Denver Nuggets will bring the momentum of their five-game winning streak against the struggling Pelicans led by Brandon Ingram in Smoothie King Center at 9 a.m. Devin Booker and the Phoenix Suns will try to bounce back against the number one seed OKC Thunder led by Shai Gilgeous-Alexander at 9 a.m. Golden State Warriors, led by Stephen Curry, will try to extend their winning streak to three against the visiting Memphis Grizzlies, led by Jaren Jackson Jr. in Chase Center at 11 a.m. The number 11 Timberwolves, led by Anthony Edwards, will try to end their three-game losing streak as they visit Domantas Sabonis in the Kings in Golden One Center at 11 a.m. If you like the video, consider to subscribe and leave a like to help this channel grow. Thank you so much, everyone.